I'm Mary, I'm a chef on board the Spirit of France. It's not your average job. It can be quite rewarding to work at sea because we do have a tendency for moving around the fleet, so you work with different people, gain different skills, different knowledge, different recipes. You could be preparing yourself for quite a fast-paced service of serving sort of 40, 50 people in a limited amount of time, and it's quite difficult in the sense that on here we're quite confined with space in the aft galley, and so you're sort of moving around each other quite closely, shall we say, and the hustle and bustle, you sort of get quite a buzz of rushing around. Being the only female in the galley on this watch can be challenging at times. You miss having a natter like on the level with another woman, but don't get me wrong, the banter with the blokes is good, and you have to have good banter with people because predominantly I'm working in a male environment, but it would be nice to see more women join up and pick careers at sea, and there are more women nowadays than when I first started, which is really nice to see. On crew you're preparing full meals, so you have breakfast, lunch, dinner and supper. And obviously you can't send a crew meal late, so there'll be a mutiny. When we come to work, we're not just chefs, we're people that could be responsible for dealing with first aid situations if need be at work, people that are responsible, worst case scenario should you ever need it, in charge of like the Marinark systems for evacuating off the ship. We could be the people that could be assisting with like BA teams on board to put out fires. You know, it doesn't just stop at being a chef. Essentially, we're the people behind the scenes playing our part in making the customer experience as pleasurable as we can. We are the people of P&O Ferries.